Now I'd like to work through an example that puts all three of these ideas together. This is example number 2, 6, and 10 from your textbook. If you're a really awesome person like me, you're stellar at skee ball. Now, when I was a kid, they were the 50-point shot. I was at Chuck E. Cheese recently, and I saw that they were like 5,000-point shots. So a little bit of inflation there to make us feel better about ourselves, but that's okay. First, I want to make a histogram of this to try to describe what's going on. So let me get myself an axis. Oops, what's happening here? Oh well, let's try that again. I'm going to draw an axis. And I need there to be 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And the highest we're going up is 0.32. So I'm going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. So for 10, I'm going to go up to 0.32. For 20, it's 0.27. 30 is 0.19. 40 is 0.15. And 50 is 0.07. So if I want to describe this picture, the first thing I notice is the shape. That it is skewed right, meaning most of the values are lower. So in this context, most of the rolls will end up in the 10 or 20 range. Since it is skewed to the right, I know the mean, the measure of center, will probably be around 20. That's my guess. Now let's actually calculate the average. So to actually calculate the average, to calculate the mean, I'm going to find the expected value, which is going to be 10 times 0.32 plus 20 times 0.27 plus 30 times 0.19 plus 40 times 0.15 plus 50 times 0.07. Now whatever this equals will be the answer. Okay, so let's see what both these are. So I'm going to have a 10 times 0.32 plus 20 times 0.27 plus 30 times 0.19 plus 40 times 0.15 plus 50 times 0.07. Our expected value, our mean, is 23.8. Now to get the standard deviation, I'm going to be finding a very large square root. So I'm going to take what can happen, 10 minus the mean squared, and multiply it by its probability. The probability of getting 10 was 0.32. Plus, I'm just going to keep doing the same thing, 20 minus 23.8 squared. I'm going to have a 30 minus 23.8 squared, a 40 minus 23.8 squared, and a 50 minus 23.8 squared. So I just need the probability. So it's 0.27 for this one, 1.9 and 1.5 for the next two. And the last one is 0.07. And this, once I type it all in, will be the answer. Now, I think I'd like a shortcut to do this problem, because I can type all that in if I want to. I can use my calculator to find input. In L1, I'm going to put the actual skee ball scores. L2, I'm going to put their corresponding probabilities. Then I want to go to Stat and Calculate, and I'll go to one of our stats. My list will be L1, my frequency list L2. And this will actually give me the mean and the standard deviation. The mean is 23.8. My standard deviation is 12.632. Again, I would need you to show your work, but feel free to use the calculator to get the answer.